Hey, good morning everybody. So we are out driving around, and our intention was actually not to stay over anywhere, but met up with a couple of friends and decided to stay over. So here's where I woke up this morning, in a nipa hut, and it's pretty cool little nipa hut actually. And here is the front view from it. I'm gonna try to get you a front view. Morning. Alright, so here's the front view of this place we woke up in. The owner is still working on it. As you can see, there's some buildings out here, and they are working on those buildings, trying to complete them. It's going to be a little it's a private property, so it's not meant to be a resort. It's going to be more like an Airbnb, and they have awesome views, beautiful beach. And where are we? If you didn't know, we are in Morong, and we're gonna hang out here for a few hours this morning, and then our journey will continue. So I'm gonna take a little walk on the beach, and let's do that together. Alright, so I'm gonna go down for a couple of minutes on the beach and just take a look here. It's Morong Beach, and for those of you who knows Morong, the sand is a little dark but soft. So anyway, if we look down all this way down here, there's a mountain range. I don't know how clear you can see it with this wide-angle lens, but it is full of resorts all the way down here. I think we did a video before walking up this way, and then it goes all the way up here, so there's resorts everywhere. So anyway, this is where we ended up staying, in those little nipa huts up in that region. And Dave is a friend of ours. We've known him for a few years, and he's working on getting the rest of the building finished. Has 8 small little apartments inside it, so it's gonna be nice. I saw the blueprint, and it'd be pretty cool when it's done. His little investment for retirement. Actually, these little nipa huts are pretty cool actually. And I thought it was going to be hot in there, but in the middle of the night I woke up and I was cold and freezing. So, with the sea breeze. But the rooms has pretty nice views, so let's go up there and take a little look at the rooms. The sand is so soft it's hard to walk here. So they haven't gotten their staircases and rails and everything up yet, so gotta watch where I'm going here so I don't step outside. But here's the view from the back of the building, and up here you should see the mountain ranges, and that's where we came in yesterday, riding over here. And then the way he built this is number one is pretty good sized family room. In each room, in this case, they took the balcony away from two of them and made them a little bigger family rooms. Down there is the, you can call it restaurant or whatever, terrace, and it's overlooking the pool. So all the rooms have views towards the ocean as well. The only sore thing is they decided to build a hotel here and on the other side, and put up 3 or 4 storage levels, but I guess it's all right. So let's walk over on this side where we have the balconies. As you can see here, you got to be careful. There's another family room. Here they got the roof on already, and so here's the other family room, or smaller room, and here they decided to give it a little terrace out here that also overlooks the whole area. So it's a nice little property. It's not, I don't know the square meter, but as you can see, the pool fills up the entire yard almost. So it'd be and this one obviously has the best view over the ocean, and it's pretty here. So it's going to be an Airbnb, private property, and it is coming up. They estimate they will be done with it somewhere in December, hopefully January. They should button it up. Alright guys, that was a little showcase, and we're going to continue our journey today, going into Subic Bay and coming over Longapo. So I will be doing some vlogging as well, and maybe a motor vlog, and we go from there. God bless.